Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve. Today I'll be showing you how to clear search history in Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Brave browser into your computer. And then here, go ahead and select your profile. Now once you are here on the home page, you could just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. So go ahead and click on it and you will have the option over here, settings. Down below, it will be the gear icon. Click on it. And from here, you would go for the privacy and security on the left side of the screen over here. And you will have an option over here, delete browsing data. As you can see, the subtitle is delete history. Click on it. And from here, as you can see, we will have the browsing history over here. So you can just simply uncheck these two. But if you want to include this to speed up your Brave, you could also do this. And now to completely delete the browsing history, just make sure that it is all time, but you have other options over here that you might want to consider. So this will be depending on you, and select delete data down below at the bottom right to proceed with this process. And pretty much that's it. And if you want to delete other data, you can just simply go for the advanced and you should be able to see some breakdowns of the other categories that you might want to delete the data to. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.